So I have some parts from Flo Motorsports, and so what we're gonna be putting on the bike today is going to be these floorboards that I have right here, these MX style floorboards, as well as a brake lever. Let me go ahead and show you guys here. So this brake lever, now the brake lever part number, it's HDBP 805 black, and it's for 2014 touring models all the way up to 2021 touring models. So we're gonna go ahead and get those installed.
To live is to risk it all. Otherwise, you're just an inert chunk of randomly assembled molecules drifting wherever the universe blows you. Oh, I'm sorry, Jerry. I didn't see you there. How much of that did you hear?
All of it. You were looking right at me.
And then we're gonna get these floorboards installed as well. And the part number on these is, let me see if I could get it in here. It's FPEG 800 V5 black full size boards. So these are the version 5 MX style boards from Flo Motorsports. So I'm really excited about these. By the way, here goes a coupon code for you guys. Let me see if I can get it in the picture here, get it to focus. Well, it's 10% off your next purchase using code NEW10OFF. So I'm sure that'll work for you guys. And this is gonna go perfect with my theme style build. And I'm pretty excited here because these floorboards I feel do not fit the look and feel of the bike. To me, they don't match the bike at all, nor does it match the theme that I'm going for. And let me just show you guys here on the other side of the bike, the same exact thing. And then also the brake pedal, as you can see, it matches the theme of the floorboard. So we got to go ahead and change that out as well. Now, if you haven't already, or you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure to click that subscribe button right now and the notification bell. This way you're notified every single time I put out a new video. And it also puts you in for an opportunity to win one of my weekly cash giveaways. So you must be subscribed to the channel if you do want to participate in those cash giveaways. All right, with that being said, let's go ahead and get these parts on the bike. So stay tuned in. Now, real quickly, I just want to get these weighed up, and then I want to compare the weight of these to the weight of the factory ones, just out of curiosity. So I'll go ahead and get this first one on. That looks to be 1 pound, 8 ounces. And then let's put on number 2 here. Let's see if we can lay this on here. Hold on here. Just see, yeah. Okay, so these weigh exactly 3 pounds even, and then I'll go ahead and get the factory ones off and get those weighed up as well, so you guys can see if you're getting any form of weight savings as well going with these MX style floorboards. All right, and let's also go ahead and get the brake pedal weighed in as well. So the Flo Moto brake pedal comes in at 1 pound, 3 ounces. So we'll compare that to the factory one and see if we saved any weight on going with the Flo Moto stuff as well. so let's go ahead and get the factory floorboards weighed in here. Man, these things are heavy. All right, so 5 pounds, 14 ounces. So going with the Flo Moto stuff, you actually save a few pounds just by moving from factory floorboards to the Flo Moto floorboards, the V5 floorboards. You actually save a few pounds off. So yeah, just a good FYI for you guys who are looking to shave some weight on your street glides or your road glides. All right, and lastly, let's go ahead and weigh the factory brake pedal. And so 2 pounds, 12 ounces. I think that's almost a pound in weight savings. I mean, I could be wrong. I don't remember exactly what the other one weighed, but I think that's almost a pound in weight savings just by switching to a different brake pedal system from Flo Moto. So if you guys are interested in some weight savings, not only does the Flo Moto products look awesome and perform well, but they also weigh less than these factory components. Okay, so I got the floorboards installed from Flo Motorsports, as well as the brake lever. I think they turned out really nice. The quality is, I mean, it looks good. I love the fitment and finish. I had a little bit of trouble getting on the brake pedal, as you can see, but that wasn't because of Flo. That was because of my own stupidity. So no shots at Flo there. I think it's a great quality product. It looks solid. I'll let you guys know my feedback after I, actually take the bike out and ride with them on. But overall, it looks good. And like I said, the fitment is great. I'm really happy with the way that they turned out. Just to give you guys another angle, this is what they look like more from the driver's viewpoint. I think it looks really cool. It adds, to the theme of the bike. So I'm really liking it. The driver's side looks good as well. I'm contemplating if I want to change these out to the Flo Moto ones, or if I want to do 2 of the Flo Moto ones, or if I just want to do, converting this to 1 Flo Moto and make this just like a 1 shifter bike instead of the 2. I kind of like the convenience of having this here. Even though I don't use it much, I still like the convenience of having it on there. Sometimes it is a little bit more comfortable, especially on the highway, to shift with this instead of doing toe up and toe down on this one. It's easier to have the toe and heel motion. It really adds to the look of the bike. So I'm really happy with the way things are turning out so far. All right, that's all I have for you guys today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. This way you can get in on my weekly cash giveaways. Also, don't forget you have to like this video and comment down below, and that will enter you in to one of my weekly cash giveaways. Thanks for all the love and support you guys have been showing my channel. The channel has been growing day over day, week over week, and month over month. So I'm super ecstatic that you guys are helping me get my message out there. Also, thank you for all the love and positivity that you guys are showing in the comment section down below. You guys are really putting out a lot of great energy out there into the world. I'll check you guys out later. Don't forget to pay it forward. Bye now.